Believe it or not, it's past 4 o'clock. We're beginning a 3-day holiday weekend. It's a beautiful night here in New York City. Just take a look behind me. And guess what? Even better, it's happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks, they mostly fell Friday as Wall Street took in earnings from big-name corporations. But we first take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which did rise, with American Express amongst the best performers. The S&P 500 on the downside with technology hit the hardest, and the Nasdaq declining as well. Let's now take a look and see how the Dow Jones Industrial Average not only closed out this session, but the week as well. In the other markets, crude oil futures for March delivery rising 41 cents to $94.37 a barrel. Gold for February delivery adding $11.70 to $12.51.90 an ounce. And the U.S. dollar continued to gain against its counterparts. In economic data, it was a busy day as U.S. job openings rose to a more than 5-year high in November, expanding by 70,000 to 4 million. The University of Michigan's initial read of U.S. consumer confidence declining to 80.4 in January versus expectations calling for a rise to 84. U.S. housing starts falling 9.8% in December to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 999,000, and U.S. industrial production increasing 0.3% in December. Meanwhile, in corporate news, Intel falling the hardest on the Dow just 1 day after the chip manufacturing company missed expectations by 1 cent in the fourth quarter while offering a lukewarm forecast for first quarter revenue. Meanwhile, General Electric posting a rise in quarterly net profit with its shares falling in the wake of its results. And Morgan Stanley beat Wall Street expectations. Lastly, United Parcel Service, UPS, Lastly, UPS estimated that its quarterly profit came in beneath analyst expectations, partly due to a shorter U.S. holiday season. And there you have it. There's your news for the day. We have a 3-day weekend ahead of us, so kick back, relax, have yourself a drink, and I'll see you guys all on Tuesday morning. From ModernWallStreet.com from a Brooklyn rooftop, I'm James Sweeney.